Good afternoon, welcome back to MarineMax. Lance Weatherby here on the all-new NauticStar 251 hybrid. The 251 is the flagship hybrid in the NauticStar lineup. This is brand new in 2019. This boat is awesome. This is a more of a functional, family-oriented bay boat. You know, you can deep sea offshore fish in this too. This is not uncommon to run this boat 30-40 miles offshore. I mean, as you can see, the layout of the boat, they do some really neat features. You got a nice pop-up bench seat with the sea deck on top. They make this for the angler. They make this very family friendly. Great live well here on the starboard side, and a great casting deck. Got a great little walk around space. When you're casting up here, you got a nice little tow rail. You can feel yourself around. Make it very functional. Nice little bait prep station here in the rear. Cutting bait, maybe cutting some limes or lemons. You never know. It may be a margarita day. But we can wash our hands off here. Spray off your, you spray off your knives and your pliers. Rocket launchers here off the back of the leaning post. Rocket launchers off the T-top. And you can see the styling of this too and the craftsmanship. They do a really good job with these hardtops. As you can see, you got the recessed JBL speakers, rear spreader lights, LEDs in the top, and everything throughout is going to be powder coated. Then you're moving your way up here to the helm seat. Great access here too. You've got to place a nice little foot stand here. They do the relief mat on the floor for you, and you've got the multifunctional seat too, where you've got the seat making a leaning post, and you also have an additional footrest here on the side. Now on the 251 on this 2019, we went ahead and decked it out. We put a 12-inch Simrad Evo NSS3, digital gauges, Infinity Bluetooth surround sound, and backing it off, we did the black acrylic package on the back. It really makes it look really crisp and clean. But some of the neat things about NauticStar too is just they make a ton of boat for the money. This is a 25-foot bay boat. It's a 25-foot hybrid boat. 300 Yamaha on the back that was painted white at the factory, and you also have the 8-foot power pole on the back. You can get in this boat for under $100,000 worth of trailer. Ton of boat for the money. As we work our way up here to the bow of the boat, very functional for the family. For a nice day on the water. The ladies and the wives and the girlfriends can sit up here, kick their feet up. Nice little Yeti here on the front. This is already pre-wired for a trolling motor, and you've got your windlass anchor here in the forward section with your foot controls right here. This is a great riding boat. This is a very fuel efficient boat with a stepped hull. This boat gets up on plane in a hurry, and if you see kind of the gunnel heights along the side here, you've got your bolsters on the side, and then moving here to the rear, you've even got a little measurement stick here that they emboss the NauticStar logo in. Nice foot toe hold here too as well. When you're fishing, you can hold your toes underneath it. But just come by and take a look at it. I'd love to take you for a ride. My name is Lance Weatherby, and I look forward to seeing you at MarineMax, Panama City Beach.